Do you know many people are having trouble with their Bestway Flowclear 58,390 pump flashing green but not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power source. Check the power source. Make sure the pump is plugged into a grounded outlet with a GFCI. Step 2. Verify pool compatibility. Verify pool compatibility. Ensure the pump is for storable pools only, not permanently installed pools. Step 3. Ensure proper mounting. Ensure proper mounting. The pump should be mounted to the base as per installation instructions. Step 4. Avoid extension cords. Avoid extension cords. Use a properly located outlet to connect the pump directly to the power supply. Step 5. Keep pump sheltered. Keep the pump sheltered. Protect it from extreme conditions like cold, heat, and direct sunlight. By following these steps, your Bestway Flowclear 58,390 pump should be up and running smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bestway users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.